Hello friends, I am Aishwarya. Welcome. Today we are going to see the implementation of Boolean expressions using CMOS logic. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको बहुत कंफ्यूज होता है कि यार ये बूलियन एक्सप्रेशंस कैसे एक्सप्रेस करें या फिर कैसे ड्रॉ करें, लेकिन आज से आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे. आई गारंटेड you will be able to implement any boolean expression using CMOS logic in only 1 minute. So let's start. First, we have to understand what is CMOS. As we know, CMOS uses P-type and N-type MOSFET transistor, and it is also called as complementary symmetrical metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, so before we start to implement the Boolean expressions, we have to know the most important factors. First is we have to know the basic knowledge about the P-type and N-type transistor. So this is the symbol of P-type transistor and this is the symbol of N-type transistor, right? So if we applied logic 0 to the base of the P-type transistor, the transistor become on, and if we applied 0 to the base of the N-type transistor, transistor becomes off. If we applied 1 to the base of the P-type transistor, it becomes off, and if we applied 1 to the base of the N-type transistor, it becomes on. So this is the basic working of PMOS and NMOS transistor. Okay, so this is the first thing, and अभी हमको समझ में आया होगा कि ये एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट ऑपरेट करते हैं. ओके, देन द सेकेंड important thing is ANDing operation. Whenever we see the ANDing operation in the Boolean expression, then we have to take the parallel connection of PMOS transistors. Okay, whenever ANDing operation, we have to take parallel connection of PMOS transistors, and whenever there is an ORing operation in the Boolean expression, there is a series connection of PMOS transistor, and for NMOS there is an exactly opposite connection. Okay, so let us see the example for better understanding. Now let us take F, which is output, equals to A or with B or with C. Let's complete the bracket, and with D and the whole complement. Okay, this is the example and we have to solve it. So अभी ये कैसे सॉल्व करना, देख के तो बहुत हार्ड लग रहा है, कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा है, लेकिन बहुत इजी है. ओनली अप्लाई द रूल्स. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेक दिस इज एन और ऑपरेशन, दिस इज और ऑपरेशन, एंड दिस इज एंड ऑपरेशन. सो फॉर और ऑपरेशन, here for ORing operation, series connection of PMOS transistor. As we know, CMOS uses P-type and N-type MOSFETs, right? So we have to draw for PMOS circuit and NMOS circuit as well. So first, for PMOS transistor, there is a series connection. So there is A, B and C. These are the three inputs, so we have to take 3 transistors in series. So let's take these 3 transistors, PMOS transistors in series. Okay, A, B, C, and here is AND operation. So for ANDing, there is a parallel connection of PMOS transistors. So we have to take parallel connection, that is D. Okay, so this is a circuit of PMOS transistor, and we have to draw for NMOS as well. Okay, so for NMOS transistor there is an exactly opposite connections. Okay, so here these 3 transistors are connected in series, so we have to take here 3 NMOS connected in parallel, and this transistor is connected in parallel, so we have to take it as series. So here A, B, C and D. Okay, so here is VDD, which is power supply. Here is VSS, which is logic 0, that is ground, and here is the output. Now let us check the operation of this. Okay, so if all inputs are 0, that is A, B, C, D, all inputs are 0. So if A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 0, and as we seen, if there is whenever we applied 0 to the base of the P-type transistor, then transistor becomes on. So this becomes on, this becomes on, this transistor also becomes on, and this transistor becomes also on. So there is an closed switch. Okay, so there is closed switch, so we'll get a closed path here, and also here is a closed path. Okay, so and let us check for NMOS transistor. Whenever we applied 0 to the base of the N type MOSFET, then we know that it acts as a open circuit. Okay, so here is an open circuit, open circuit, open circuit. So there is no connection between VSS and output, and here is a closed path. So VDD is nothing but logic 1. So we'll get here output 1. Okay, so अरे ये एक्सप्रेशन चेक करना तो रह गया, राइट. तो ए और बी 0 और 0 0 0 ऑरिंग विथ 0 0 0 ऑरिंग विथ 0 0, and the complement of 0 is 1. So we'll get here 1 as a output. Now let us take all inputs are 1 1 1 1 1. 1 ORing with 1 1, 1 ORing with 1 1, and 1 ANDing with 1 is also 1. So the complement of 1 is 0. So अभी हमें क्या चाहिए, आउटपुट को 0 चाहिए. तो let's check. First we applied 1 1 1 to the base of the p type transistors, and we know that whenever we applied 1 to the base of the p type transistor, it acts as an open circuit, right. This is open circuit, this is open circuit, this is open circuit. There is no connection between VDD and output. Now let us check for the NMOS transistor. Here when we applied 1 to the base of the N type MOSFET, here we applied to the base of the 1 type MOSFET, here 1 is applied to the NMOS, here is 1. Okay, so it acts as an open circuit. So it acts as a closed circuit, and we get here the closed path. So here Vs is nothing but logic 0. Okay, so we get 0 at the output. Now let's move towards the another example. Okay, now let's take A plus B, okay, F as output, A plus B, and with C or with D. Okay, now and the whole complement. Now we know we have to check first OR operation, AND operation, and OR operation. Okay, so we know that for ANDing operation there is a parallel connection, for ORing operation there is a series connection of p-type transistor, and the exactly opposite for the n-type transistor. So we have to draw first A and B. There are two inputs, so we required two transistors, two p-type transistor, and there is an OR operation between them, right. So we have to take series connection of two p-type transistors. So here is A, and here another transistor is B. These are connected in series. There is an ANDing operation with C or with D. So we have to take the two series connection of C and D inputs, right. C and D. These are connected in parallel because there is an ANDing operation between them. Okay, so we know that there is an exactly opposite connections for the NMOS transistor. These are the two transistors which are connected in series, so we have to take this N type transistor in parallel, right. Okay, there is A, B, and these two connections are connected in parallel, so we have to take it as series, and these two transistors are connected in series, so we have to take it as parallel. So C, D, and that's it. Here is VSS, here is VDD, and here is F as the output. You can check the operation as well. Okay, now I hope you understand. और बचपन से हम लोग एक कोट सुनते आ रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. सो अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आप कोई भी बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन विद इन 1 मिनट में सॉल्व कर पाओगे. सो फॉर प्रैक्टिस here are the two examples for the practice, so practice it. और इस वीडियो से आपको थोड़ी बहुत भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिली हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। थैंक यू।